Hi, I'm Jake. I run and operate my own commercial cleaning company. On a daily basis, I manage employees, conduct payroll, purchase supplies, balance the books, and try to grow my business. For that, I have to find customers and keep them. At the end of the day, I have very little time for what's most important. That was before I discovered OpenWorks. With OpenWorks, I can focus on the operations of my business. That's because OpenWorks has clients and needs service providers like me. I still service my regular customers and can accept additional contracts from OpenWorks. OpenWorks finds new clients and manages administrative support, invoicing, and collections. Now, I can start working on my business, not in my business. And I still have time for what's most important. If you're ready to increase your independence and your profit, contact OpenWorks today.